Everyone, welcome back to the kitchen, and today we're going to use that creamy buttermilk poppy seed dressing that we made in a previous video, and we're going to make this super delicious, super fast, shortcut poppy seed coleslaw. And I can't wait to show you how this all comes together. Okay, tonight we're going to make a super fast coleslaw, and we're going to take some help from the grocery store, because when you are wanting to go home and put dinner on the table, this is a really great way to do it. With the warmer summer months coming up here, spring is here already, we're ready to spend more time outside, lighting up the grill, and just enjoying our life a little more now that winter is going away. We're going to make this coleslaw, and we're going to dress it with the creamy buttermilk poppy seed dressing that I made in another video. If you didn't get a chance to see that, I'll make sure I put an iCard here on the screen, as well as a link down below in the information box, and you can go check that out. But we're going to start off with a 1-pound bag of tricolor coleslaw mix from the grocery store. This is just regular green cabbage, red cabbage, and a little bit of grated carrot. And then we're going to add to that about a half of a small grated onion. Now I just ran this over the fine grate on my box grater, and you want to use the juice and the fiber that comes out of that. This is going to help your coleslaw have that delicious oniony flavor, but it's not going to have a lot of chunks. If you prefer, you can just finely mince that onion. If you don't like onion in your coleslaw, you can just leave it out. I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of my house seasoning, which is salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and parsley, and about a half a teaspoon or so of celery seed. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get this all mixed up together, just kind of get all that well distributed in there. It smells good already. And then I'm going to take about a cup. This is to your liking. I'm going to take about a cup of this creamy buttermilk poppy seed dressing that I made, and we're going to mix that in. If you like it a little bit more dressed than I have, then go ahead and add a little bit more. But remember, coleslaw, the longer it sits, the more liquid it produces, because all of that water is going to come out of the vegetables that are in the bowl already, and it's going to end up being more like cabbage soup. So you want to make sure that you don't overdress it, because in the end, if you have some left over, you can always add more dressing to your serving. But this looks pretty good to me.
It does.
Now we just want to give this a quick taste, just to make sure the flavors are all right. I'm going to have Rick do that. Is that good?
Yep, that works.
We don't need to add any more salt, pepper, nothing else? All right.
Everything.
Fabulous. All right. Now what you want to do is have this sit in the fridge for at least an hour, just so that everybody gets to mingle and this party gets nice and going. So we're going to pop this in the fridge, and then we'll be back and we'll fix you a plate. There you have it. There's our coleslaw all ready to go. It sat in the fridge for about an hour. The vegetables have had a chance to kind of soften a little bit, but they're still crispy and really, really tasty. I'm sure that this tastes very much like it did before when we tasted it for flavoring, so I'm not going to have Rick taste it again, but this is definitely something that you're going to want to share with your friends. This is a great barbecue take along. This is low carb, and it is also sugar free, because I made my dressing with erythritol stevia sweetener. You can use whatever you like, but this is definitely a keeper. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please consider giving me a thumbs up. And if you're new to my kitchen and you wandered on over to see what was what, welcome. Always a pleasure to have new friends join me. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button. And as always, if you're a tried and true member of the Noreen's Kitchen family, be sure and hit the bell notification button so that you will get a push notification on your smart device or an email in your inbox every time we upload new content, because we don't want you to miss out on all the real food for real people, real easy recipes that we present all the time right here on our YouTube channel and straight from our kitchen. I hope you give this shortcut poppy seed coleslaw a try sometime soon, and I hope you love it. And until next time, I'll see ya.